This is the story of a poor little bird whose life ended in a tragic accident while running away from the neighborhood's hawk killer. Okay, let's go and see it. And it hit right there. It was being chased by a falcon. By another big bird. Wow, look at all the feathers. Yeah, I think it was a falcon. Or one of those hawks. Yeah, so come, you're gonna learn about death. So this little bird, it died. Yeah, when it hit the window.
It hit the window.
Yeah, it came flying really fast because it was being chased by another bird that was going to eat it. The other bird got scared because we were standing by the window. But see? Poor little bird. Yeah, it's dead. So we're gonna leave it here for a little bit, and then the other bird, the bigger bird, is gonna come and eat it.
I'm sorry, bird. Oh, hello, bird. Hello, bird.
No worries.
Hello, bird. Hello, bird.
Yeah.
Hello, bird.
Poor little bird.
It's gone.
Oh, it's still there. We're waiting for a bigger bird to come and eat it. Yeah, a big bird. You saw the falcon is gonna fly over and take it and eat it.
Poor little bird.
Poor little bird.
It's got algae.
It's got an ouchie.
No. Stay back.
Stay back? Okay. 1, 2.
No, it's couch. Yeah. Right here.
Where?
Couch. Right here. Couch.
Oh, no. I have to do some work. I'm going to the office. It's happening. No. Stop, Elena. Look. It's eating the little bird. Oh, wow. I told you another bird was going to come. Yeah, it's eating the little bird. That's what happens in nature. Yep, that's exactly what happens in nature. Look, it's flying away. Oh yeah, it's got the little bird. It's up there. Wow, that bird is powerful. Yeah. He's eating the little bird. He's up there. You see him?
Oh no.
It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. That's what happens. You see him? Look, he's gonna fly away again. Oh wow! Look, he's. Whoa! He's gonna take him.
You're too close, Happy.
He may drop it. Oh man, it's so high up.
I'm missing a bird.
Amazing, right?
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's eating the little bird. You see him? He's up there eating the little bird.
Look, a big bird. It's so scared.
You scared? Don't be, baby. He's far away, and you're bigger than the bird. You're way bigger than the big bird.
Too bigger.
No, that needs to happen. He needs to eat it.
Shoot.
Things in nature get recycled. That's part of nature, sweetie.
It's go here.
Look what he's doing. He's wow, that's amazing. He's up there.
Eating little bird.
Yeah, he's eating the little bird.
Look, right here. Right here.
Yeah, I know.
It's climbing up here. It's climbing up here. Climb up.
That's amazing, right? And this is how the story ended. When the opportunist, Raven, carried the mourning dove away.